Today's class is very important, beta. So write the heading: calculation of the time period of the spring block system. Calculation of time period of spring block system, of your spring block system. Okay. So what you're doing, we are going to talk about your calculation of your time period of your spring block system. Okay. See the basic requirement for this one, beta. Whenever you get a system of problems in which there are n number of a spring, but there is one block. Okay, na? మన దగ్గర ఎన్ని springs అని ఉన్నాయి 1 2 3 4 5 8 10 100 infinity anything. If all that springs are been connected to one block, only one block partition, then I'm having some steps to do right now for this one. So steps to solve the problem, student. Steps to solve the problems. Okay, so what are that steps you see right now? The first step is number 1, arrange in series. Arrange all springs in series. Okay, Navita?
Yes.
So what you'll do, if you have more than 2-3 springs, so first try to do them that you arrange all the springs in the series combination. Arrange all the springs in the series combination. Second one. Now this is something very important. Use the formula K effective is equals to K into tension on the block divided by tension on the spring whole square. We don't have the derivation of this one right now, beta. Only to reduce your time, we are using the shortcut. So for your n springs and one block, K effective is calculated by the formula, beta. K effective is equals to spring constant of the spring, that is nothing but K, divided by, multiplied by, sorry, tension on the block divided by tension on the spring whole square. Is that clear?
Yes.
Then third step is use the formula 1 by K effective. 1 by K effective is equals to, this one is your K1 plus of your 1 by your K2 plus of your so on up to your 1 by Kn. Okay?
Yes.
Is it clear? That means this is in series combination or parallel combination?
Series.
Isn't it? So next one. Applicable for any springs, applicable for your any springs, but only one block system. But only one block system. Okay, so it is applicable for what, beta? Applicable for your any springs, beta. Any number of springs, you can take 2 springs, 3 springs, 4 springs, whatever it may be. It is applicable for your any springs, but only one block partition, but only one block system partition. Is that condition clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, beta? This is something very important, beta. You need to practice a little bit. K effective is being calculated by the formula. That is your spring constant of the spring into tension on the block divided by tension on the spring whole square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let me give you some examples. First one. This is a block of mass of your M. This is a spring constant of your K. Okay. So now tell me what are the forces acting on that body? One force acting on the body is nothing but mg in the downward direction. And this is your tension in the spring. That is nothing but of your T. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the effective relation, beta? K effective is equals to effective is equals to spring constant into K. Tension in the spring is how much for me? T. Tension on the block is also your T. And this one is your horse. So this one and this one will get cancelled. So K effective is coming out for me how much? K only.
Yes.
So what is the formula for time period? T is equals to 2 pi under root of your M by your K effective,
Yes.
isn't it? So what is the formula? What is the problem right now? T is equals to 2 pi under root of your M by K effective. How much I got right now from this one? K effective is equals to your K.
Yes.
So this is your answer for this. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more example. Like say this is your pulley and this is fixed here and one end of the string is somewhere here and this is fixed here. The other end of this one is connected to your spring right now like this, and this is connected to your block of mass capital M. This is connected to a block of mass how much? Capital M. Now time period for this one is how much? Time period for this one is how much? So what we will do first, beta? The force acting on the spring is nothing but M into G. Tension on the block is right now capital T. Here it is also capital T. Spring constant is nothing but if very equal to your K. Another. So now can you tell me what is the K effective, beta? K effective is equals to your K into tension on the block. On this block, the tension is nothing but T only. Tension on the spring is also your T only. And this one is your whole square. So this one will get cancelled. 1 square is nothing but 1. So K effective is coming how much for me? K only. So the time period will be equal to how much for me? 2 pi under root of your M by your. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Ardhamainda? So I
Yes,
hope
sir.
you got an idea how to use the formula of your K effective part if you like. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One more problem. Say for example, this is the system given for me. Okay. And here's there is somewhere a pulley. Okay. One end of this one is connected to this one right now here, like this. Okay. And another end is connected to the spring somewhere here. And this is connected to a block of mass, say for example, capital M. Okay. Now time period is
Yes.
how much? Time period for this one is how much? Again, same condition. First, what we'll try to
G
do? The weight
downwards.
of this body, M into your G. Okay. Tension in the spring beta. From here to here, there is one string only. Another. If
Yes,
there is
sir.
a tension in this one is T here, this one is also your T.
Yes, sir.
Another. If this is your T, here also the tension is nothing but of your T. If this is string, this is also equal to your T.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If this is T and this is T, the tension here will become how much better?
2T, sir.
2T. Here also it will become for me a T.
2T.
That means on the block, what is the tension?
2T, sir.
2T. On the spring,
T, sir.
T. So K effective will become how much? K effective
K
is
by
equals to
K
K
into
into tension on the block is nothing but 2T
2T by
divided by tension on the spring is nothing but
whole
equal
square.
to T. That is nothing but of your whole square. This T will get cancelled. 2 square is nothing but 4. So it
4K.
is 4K. So this one is your K effective. So time period will become for me T is equals to your 2 pi under root of your M by your 4K is your answer. Achinda, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let me give you one more example. This is easy shortcut method beta.
Yes.
This is one block here right now. Sorry, this is your pulley which is been fixed. And to this one, I'm having one pulley here right now. And to this pulley right now, one block is been connected. This is your block of mass, say for example, capital. And this one, this string from here to here, it is coming like now like this. And this is connected to one more pulley somewhere here. And this is connected to this spring like this. Okay, na? And there is one more spring right now here, and this one is fixed here. Like this. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Spring constant of this one is K. Spring constant of this one is also K. So time period for this one is how much? Time period for this one is how much? Now see here this one beta. If you see this carefully, from here to here there is one string beta. ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్ట్రింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఇది మొత్తం ఒకటే స్ట్రింగ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు.
Yes, sir.
This one is a different string. This one is a different string. Like say in this one, if the tension is right now T, so obviously in this one is also T. In this one also, if the tension is T, here also in this one it is T. So here also it is your capital T, and here also it is your capital T. And weight of this one is right now capital M into your G. Okay. So calculate the K effective beta. K effective will be equal. Okay, if this is T, this is T. What is the tension here beta?
2T.
This will be your 2T, and here it is also your 2T, and it is fixed to the ground somewhere here right now. So K
Yes.
effective is equals to your K into. K effective is equals to your K into tension on the block. Tension on the block is how much? T divided by tension on the spring is how much beta?
Sir, so now
Tension on the
which
spring
spring
is
shall we
equal to how
consider,
much?
sir?
Is beta?
Which spring shall we consider, sir? Now means this, sir. We have two
What do you
springs,
consider
right, sir?
here?
So we have to do series, sir.
Yeah, we need to do the series particulation. So
1
first
by
let us try
K
to take
plus
this one. If I
1
am
by
taking for this spring, it will be equal to your 2T. అంతే కదా? ET,
Yes,
ET will get cancelled. So this will
K
become
by
for me
4.
K by 4. This is your K effective 1 anko for this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The same way K effective 2 will be equal to how much? K effective 2 will be equal to
K.
capital K into tension on the block is how much? T. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. We'll get K, right, sir.
Then tension on the spring is how much?
T.
This will be your whole square. This gets cancelled 1. So K effective 2, K effective 2 will become how much for me? K. Now what you will do next one? I told you that if more than
Series
2
1 by
take
K.
series and
1 by
1
K.
by K effective will be equal to your 1 by K effective of your 1 plus 1 by K effective of your 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
That means that is equals to 1 by K effective of 1 is how much beta? K by 4. So this one is your K by 4 plus this one is your 1 by K.
4
Isn't
will
it?
go up.
So
Yes.
this will become for me 1 by K effective is equals to 4 by K plus of your K. So this will come out for me how much beta?
Sir, okay. Sir, can't we leave it as 1 by K, sir?
Yes beta?
Means because we are taking 4 up, you have to also take K up, sir.
ఇదంతా K by 4 కదా వచ్చింది మనకు.
అది కాదు
1
సార్
by
మళ్ళా the K effective 2, it is 1 by
K,
K, right, sir?
K effective is
K effective 2, sir.
K effective 2 ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది?
అంటే 1 by K ni we are writing it as K, right, sir? So it is because we took 4 up.
This one is 4 up kada. So this is nothing
Okay,
but
yes.
4 by K divided by, sorry, this is K in the class అయితే K
Okay,
కాదు.
1 by K, right, sir.
This is 1 by K only, sorry.
Yes, sir. That was
So this will come out for me how much beta?
5 by
4 into K, 4K. This one is how much for me here? Minus.
5
This
by
will
K.
become this is కదా?
5 by K, right, sir?
5 by
K.
అంతే కదా?
Yes,
అంటే
sir.
K effective will become how much for me here?
5 by K, sir.
K by 5. 1 by K effective is
K.
5 by K.
Yes,
K
sir. Yes.
effective is this. Then
5
time
by
period will become how much beta? T is equals to 2 pi under root of your M
5
by
by
K effective. K effective means K by 5. So that comes
Mm.
out for me. The new time period is right now T is equals to 2 pi under root of your, this one is 5m divided by your K. Capital M unte capital M రాసుకోవడమేనా. 5 times of your capital M divided by your K. So this will be your time period. So got it beta?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Class లో చెప్పారా ఇవన్నీ?
Yes, sir. Chapter, sir.
ఇదే ఈ ఫామ్ చెప్పారా?
Yeah, first, yes, sir. K into
K
T by,
effective is equal to K into tension of the body
yes,
divided by tension of the spring whole square. చెప్పారా ఇది?
yes, sir. సార్ మీ కాలేజ్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వడం గురించి చెప్పండి.
ఫిబ్రవరి నుంచి అంటున్నారు, ఇంకా అఫీషియల్ గా ఫిబ్రవరి అంటున్నారు. Okay. Here there is, for you they have been told you, beta.
No, sir, not yet, sir. College didn't say anything, sir.
College, no information, huh?
No, sir. Only case here.
Here there is one spring, beta. There is your this one, and this one is connected to one more block here right now like this, and this one is connected to one more block here, and this one is connected to one more spring here, and this one is connected to one block. One block of mass capital M. Now tell me the tension. So weight of this block is acting in the downward direction, beta. Here the tension will be equal to T. Here will be the tension T, because this is only one single string. So here it will be your T, and here also it will be your T. If this is T and this is T, in this one the tension will become how much, beta? Here 2T. And then,
Yes,
and
yes,
here
sir.
also it will become for me 2T. Here also it will become for me 2T. And here also it will become for me 2T. If this is 2T and this is 2T, here it will be equal to your how much, beta? And here in the upward direction, this will become how much for me? 2 and 2, this will
40,
become
sir.
for me your 40. Here also it is your 40. Here also it is your 40. And here also it is your 40.
Yes.
Okay. So now I need to
Yes.
calculate the K effectives for all of them. So K effective 1 will be equal to your how much? K effective 1. K effective 1 is equals to K into I'm taking
T
this
by
one
T.
as a first block beta. So it is
Yes,
your
sir.
T by your T whole square. That comes out to be how much for me? K. So in the same way, K effective 2 second spring kanukundaam. All the spring constants are same beta. This one is K, this one is K, and this one is also your K. That
Yes.
is equals to your K into tension on the block. That is nothing but of your how much? Sorry, tension on the spring, the first one.
Block, sir, first one.
What is the formula right now? Tension on
Sir,
the block
T.
divided by tension on the spring.
Yes, sir.
Tension
TB
on
by
the
T.
block is how much for me? Your T
T.
divided by tension on the
2T.
spring for the second one is nothing but equal to your 2T.
2T.
This one is your whole square. This one will get cancelled. So this will
K
become for
by
me how
4.
much? K by 4. Then K effective of your 3. K effective of your 3 is equals to K into tension on the block is nothing but of your T. Tension on the
4T.
spring is nothing but of your 4T whole square. This T will get cancelled. 4 into 4, that
K
will
by
become for
16.
16. So it is your K by your 16. All of them are to be taken in the series combination. So 1 by your K effective will be equal to your 1 by your K1 plus of your 1 by your K2 plus of your 1 by your K3. I'm not this one, all this one,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So this will be coming out for me, beta, how much? This one is your
1
1
by
by
K
K plus this
plus
one is
4
nothing
by
but of
K.
your K2 is nothing but of your
4 by
K
K.
by 4 property. I can write directly here. So it is 4 by K plus this one is nothing but equal to
16
your how
by
much
K.
right now? 16 by your K. Can you take the LCM for this one and try to do?
21 K, sir.
So this one will be equal to your 21
21
by
by
your
K.
21 by Ona?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by K effective is equals to this much. So K effective is how much better? K effective will become how much for me? K by 21. And then
Yes, sir.
K by 21. So time period will become for me how much? T is equals to 2 pi under root of your. This one is nothing but M by your K effective. That is nothing but K by your 21. That means if I am writing the answer finally, the time period is t is equals to 2 pi under root of your, this one is your 21 into your capital M divided by capital K. So this is your time period. Clear? Beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope you got it right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when the lift is been moving or the time period is been moving in the non-inertial frame, or when it has been accelerating, I hope you got an idea how to calculate the time periods for the given conditions also. Okay,
Yes,
na?
sir.
See the shortcut, beta. What is the time period of a simple pendulum formula, beta? Some period of the simple pendulum is
Equals to
T is
2 pi
equals to 2 pi under root of your L by
by
your G.
G. Yes, sir.
So in error, if I can write this one, this will become for me dt by your T will be equal to your, this one is half, 2 pi is a constant, half
Yeah.
into, this one will be equal to your dl divided by your L, minus, this will be equal to your half into your dg divided by your G, acceleration due to, there is fractional change in the time period. This is known as a what? Fractional change in the time period. This one is your fractional change in time period. This is your fractional change. Fractional change in what, beta? Time period.
Time period.
Fractional change in your time period. Okay. Like say for example, if I'm saying, if there is 4% change, 4% change in G. Okay. So then I can write this one as dt by your T into your 100 will be equal to minus of your half into dg by your G into your 100. This is your formula. So that is equals to minus of your half into dg by G is how much for me? How much in the problem? 4%. And I can write this one as of your 4 into your 100. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this will become for me how much? 2%. Isn't it? So
Yes.
this will be equal to how much? 2 ones are. This one is 2 twos are. That is
2
nothing but minus of your 200. Minus indicated is decreasing. So this will come out for me how much? 2%. So
Yes.
dt by T into your 100 will be equal to how much, beta? Into your 100 will be equal to your 2%. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
One more and very important formula, beta. Like say for example, this is your earth. This is your earth, and radius of the earth is say for example RE. And here somewhere I'm having a simple pendulum from the surface of the earth. Ikkada oka simple pendulum undanko right now. This is your pendulum right now, which has been fixed here. Okay. And this pendulum has been oscillating on the surface of the earth. This is a simple pendulum. And this is oscillating like to and fro motion. Until you are standing somewhere on the moon. Anko. Okay.
Yes.
You are having the length of this one is equals to your F. If I'm considering condition that if this length of this simple pendulum is equal to the radius of the earth. Okay.
Yes.
If length of the simple pendulum is equal to radius of the earth anta 6,400 kilometers. Ante pedda pendulum manaku untunda general ga aithe undadu kada. So దానికి
Yes.
చాలా పెద్ద derivation ఉంది. So directly you can remember the formula. T is equals to 2 pi into your, this one is nothing but of your 1 divided by your G into, this will become for me 1 by your L plus of your 1 by your RE. Okay. So if the length of the simple pendulum is equal to your length of your radius of your earth, then time period is calculated with the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of 1 by G into 1 by L plus 1 by RE. Okay. If length is much lesser than the radius of the earth, beta. Okay. Then
Yes.
in this one, 1 by RE, if the part of relation taking, if length is much lesser than of your RE, L can be neglected for this one, beta. Isn't it? So the time period
Yes.
will become for me T
Very.
is equals to 2 pi under root of your. This will become for me how much, beta? If L is much lesser than of your RE. What I can do?
Sir, normally we take the LCM, right, sir, instead.
Yeah, normally తీసుకుంటున్నాం కానీ దీంట్లో ఇప్పుడు radius of the earth will be equal to very large కదా. We can neglect
Yes,
this one compared to this one
yes, sir.
because length is much lesser than the radius of the earth. So this L will go
Yes,
up. This will become for me L by G. Okay.
okay, sir.
If length is much greater than the radius of the earth beta, then the time period will be equal for me. T is equals to 2 pi under root of your L by radius of the earth part. Now here in the place of L, what you'll type? Radius of the earth divided by your G.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just remember this standard relations and you can able to do the problems related to this one. Okay. So for an infinitely long pendulum or for a very long pendulum sparticulation, time period is calculated with the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of your 1 by G into 1 by L plus of your 1 by your RE into your concentration particulation. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Inko application chusko. Like this one. If this is your inclined surface beta and this is making an angle of a theta. దీనిపైన ఒక trolley ఉంది అనుకుంది. And this trolley is moving on this surface like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And there is simple pendulum attached to this one. Somewhere to this one, a pendulum is being attached. This is your pendulum like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means with respect to this one, it is making an angle theta. So now this trolley is moving down with an acceleration E. So what is the time period of this one? See, if I take the free body diagram of this one, listen carefully. For this one, the acceleration due to gravity on this one will be acting in this direction, beta, downward direction gravity. So this will be equal to G. You can resolve this one into the components from where, beta? Along the inclined surface and perpendicular to the inclined surface. If this will become making an angle theta here. So this one will be an angle theta. So this will become for me G cos theta and this will become for me G sin theta. So this is
Yes,
along
sir.
your negative y-axis and this one is also along your negative x-axis part of relation. Okay, now? So G
Yes.
effective will become how much for me? G effective will be equal to your G bar minus of your A bar. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is a G bar? G bar is having this relation kada. G means this one is cos theta and this one is nothing but of your Rundu kuda same direction if I'm taking this one. So this will be taken as of your y-axis and this will be taken as of your x-axis. So G value will be coming out for me how much beta? So this one is your G into your sin theta I cap plus of your G into your cos theta J cap. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Net acceleration of this one minus of your acceleration of this block will be equal to how much beta? This acceleration of this body will be equal to how much for me? G into sin theta ne kada?
Yes, sir.
So this will be equal to your G into your sin theta. So this one is your G into sin theta into your I cap. See, anything is getting cancelled. If I open this bracket, so this will become cancelled right now here. So this will become for me how much? G into your cos theta J cap. Antena? Idi
Yes.
cancel it. So G effective is coming out for me how much? G into your cos theta. That means the time period will be equal to T is equals to 2 pi under root of your, this will be equal to your L divided by G into your cos theta. So this will be the time period. So time period is calculated by the formula T is equals to your 2 pi under root of your L by G into your cos theta part of relation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So that was about your blocks of your systems which have been accelerating for the given conditions part. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Nina class lo jarigindi?
Sir, Ninna, actually we did the oscillations in horizontal surface and ఇంకా spring block system questions చేసాం సార్.
ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ రిలేషన్ అన్న. సో ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు డూ దిస్ వన్. when a block is moving on inclined plane, ఇనిషియల్ గా నీకు బ్లాక్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది అన్న. ఇనిషియల్లీ ద బ్లాక్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. The moment this starts moving, what happens? This will be moving in the front direction, kabatti. So the acceleration of this body will be equal to your g sine theta. So the effective acceleration due to gravity kanaka తీసుకుంటే, this is a vector form kabatti. G bar will be writing in terms of g effective is this g will be equal to gx I cap plus gy g cap. X value ఏముంది మనకు g sin theta, y లో ఏముంది మనకు g cos theta పడ్డది. ఓకేనా? మనం వెక్టార్స్ లెటర్ రాస్తాం చూడు, ఇట్లా ఇది గుర్తుందా?
Yes.
If this is a vector like an r making an angle theta, this is x, this is r, ఇది y ఉందనుకో. So r will be equal to how much for me? X I cap y j cap అని రాస్తాం. అవునా?
Yes, sir.
The same way I'm writing this one here, right? So g effective is equals to your g bar minus of your a bar part of relation. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
ఇంకెంత టైం ఉందన్న?
సార్ ఇంకా దీంట్లో 5 minutes 50 seconds చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఇంకా
5 minutes 50 seconds.
Okay. I'll stop and rejoin it, beta.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.